They've been our internet overlords' companions for thousands of years. With over 70 breeds, these furry friends come in all shapes and sizes. But one breed truly stands out for its luxurious look, the Persian. Imagine a cat with a flat face, big round eyes, and a coat as fluffy as a cloud. Persians come in almost every color imaginable, and they love lounging around like living teddy bears. In today's video, you and I will be creating a sketch illustration of a Persian cat. For today's lesson, we'll need a sheet of white paper or a sketch pad and a pencil. I'm going to start the sketch off with this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick. Now with this drawing, we want to define the basic shapes first before we get into the details. So let's start by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. We're going to start from the very top in the middle. Just going to lightly work our way down the center towards us. Let's move back to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now we're going to use these two lines to help us create a large circle in the center of our page to define the size of the head. So from the center point, let's just move up right about here, mark off the top of our circle. Now we want to measure this distance from the center down towards the bottom and do the same thing. And then we'll repeat that across this horizontal line, measuring this distance over towards the left and then the right. Now we're going to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create a circle. Let's start with the top left. And the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We're just using this as a guide. You can always go back and just smooth this out. Now that we have our circle and guidelines, we want to start locating the facial features. Let's start by splitting the left side of the circle in half. So right here, just going to mark this off. Go straight up towards the top and then the bottom. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Finding that center point, go up and then down. Now around that center point, we're going to draw a circle, starting with the left side, going all the way around. Do the same thing on the right, drawing that same side circle. Now we're going to go in between the eyes and draw the outside of the muzzle. Let's start with the left side. We're going to curve this around, and then bring that down towards that bottom line. Do the same thing on the right, going out, and then down. From that center point, let's step down, curve this up, and then out toward the left and right. From the tip of the nose, let's move down, curve the mouth, coming down, and then out. And then along the bottom, we're going to add a curve for the nose. We're going to go up and then down. Now we want to bump out the cheeks along the side. Let's start with the eye line on the left. Just going to bump this out, round this out, and then pull that in towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right, going all the way around the cheek, and then bending that back in. Now from the inside of the eyes, we're going to draw a curve that goes up, and just blend into the ear, going out past the side of the head, and do the same thing on the right, going up, and then bending that out. From the tip of the ear, come down, and then in towards the side of the head. Now from the top of these two lines, we're going to flatten off the head with a straight line. Let's add some volume to the side of the head. We're going to start from the base of the ear. It's going to bump this out and back in. Go back to the left side. We're going to curve this around the cheek, come down, and just taper that in towards the inside. Now at this stage of our drawing, we're going to go back and lightly erase some of these guidelines. Let's take out the top of the head. Now we're going to use this rough sketch as a guide to help us layer on some more detail and refine the shapes. And I like to start with the eyes. Let's start with the inside. We want to add a point along the inside of the eye, going around the top. I'm just going to curve the eye going out towards a point along the outside and come in along the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Creating that point along the inside of the eye, and then along the outside, and pull this in along the bottom. Now I'm also going to add a little bit of fur texture going up on the inside of the eye, across the brow, and then in the center of the head. From the nose, I'm just going to brush this fur going across. Brush the fur along the side of the muzzle. We'll go back and add some detail to the nose. Let's add the nostrils. Add a little bit of fur texture along the bottom of the mouth, coming down across the bottom of the muzzle, up towards the side. Add a little bit of fur across the chin. And we're just brushing this fur out towards the side. And go back and just add some detail across the top of the head, the center of the forehead, going up and out, giving the cat a little bit of a frown on the inside. Now let's add the pupil in the center. Starting from the top, it's going to bend this out toward the left and then back in towards the middle. Same thing on the right. We'll do the same thing on the right side. And we're going to add a small highlight on the top left side of each eye. I'm going to go back and just darken up the center of the pupil. Just going to rough this in. Now I'm just going to add some fur across the base of the ear. Just going to brush this up and out from the eye. So the fur actually originates from the top of the eye. And we're just going to pull that out along the side. I'm just going to fade that fur out in towards the center. Let's go back and do one final cleanup before we add some more detail and contrast. Now we're going to go back and start adding some more contrast and detail. So we start back at the eyes, just darkening up the inside of the pupil. I'm adding a little bit of a glare in the center of the pupil. Just fading that out in the middle. Also widen out the pupil a little bit further. We're extending the length of the fur texture across the bottom edge. You can carry that texture up in the middle along the top. And now we're just going to work our way around the perimeter of the head, starting along the top. I'm going to switch to the side edge of my 2mm mechanical pencil and add some various tones and shading. So along the top of the eye, I'm just going to darken this up. And we're just going to fade that down in towards the middle, going around the highlight on the top left. Just darken up the bottom and then fade that up. So we're adding a little bit of a glare in the center of the eye. I'm just adding those lines going across the muzzle, the whiskers, and then go back and just add a few small dots inside that line. I'm going to go and just lightly add some whiskers across the side of the muzzle. I'm going to go back and just layer some fine detail on top with the fur, just subtly brushing this in towards the face. as we get closer to the end, we're just going to tighten up our shadows and add a little bit more detail, and always be sure to sign out artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a Persian cat. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for joining me today, and now let's roll the spotlight.